Valuation concerns hitting the market today with declines in AI related stocks like Palantir, even though they beat estimates and gave good guidance. At this point, AI stock gains in the market this year have helped the S&P 500 forward PE above 23, and that's near the highest levels we've seen since 2000. S&P today down about 80 points early, rallied midday, and then back to the lows of the day. And even with the sell-off, there are 9 S&P 500 stocks that are at new 52 weeks highs, including Bank of America and Wells Fargo. Dow is down about 450 points, NASDAQ about 2%. And concern coming from Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley overnight, both CEOs saying a 10 to 15% drawdown is likely in the next 12 to 24 months. Equity option data yesterday, light volume, that definitely picked up today. Call volumes in the ES still pretty robust. Yesterday was about 40%, and after recent declines, we're starting to see call buying in the ES mini Russell options. Call activity and options expiring in 6 to 28 days. That's over 55% in the last 5 trading days. And big buying this morning on the opening in today's expiring 6,800 down to 6,750 puts. 6,750 puts have over 20,000 of those. And this Thursday's 6,700 puts, almost 10,000 of those at about an 18% implied volatility. Crypto, huge liquidation in the last 24 hours on fears of the Fed rate outlook. Almost $1.3 billion in leveraged futures positions liquidated. Bitcoin traded under 100,000 today, hitting its lowest point since the end of June. Huge volume in micro Bitcoin futures, 120,000 today. Ether, lowest since middle of July, trading down to 32.37. And MET volume at the CME today over 275,000 contracts.